China launched the largest military exercise targeting Taiwan in response to Pelosi's visit to the island. In recent days, China has launched ballistic missiles and long-range rockets into a few exclusion zones encircling Taiwan and released multiple videos. The rocket force of the Eastern Theater Command carried out a firing drill, including the Dong Feng 15B missiles and PHL-16 modular rocket launchers. The targets of the ballistic missiles include the predetermined waters off the east coast of Taiwan. The video depicts the spectacular launch of a DF-15B missile on a public road adjacent to farmland, demonstrating that the Chinese rocket force is capable of maneuvering in a wide area to increase survivability and unpredictability, thereby improving strike results. The official report said that, after receiving the launch order, the commander of the DF-15B unit instructed multiple launch vehicles and support trucks to move out of the base, then swiftly transit to various public locations, making the enemy hard to track down their locations. These locations appear to be small villages or towns with public access. No facility or service was set up prior to the exercise, making the locations hard to monitor or predict. Then the launch vehicles switched from transit mode to launch mode and launched multiple DF-15B missiles into Taiwan's water target area. The media report claims that this exercise shows the excellent quality and spirit of the Chinese rocket force unit. The report also indicates all the missiles accurately hit the target area, demonstrating the unit is capable of precision strike and aerial denial capabilities to block the US military from Taiwan. This is the largest scale exercise ever in the Taiwan Strait. It is also the closest military drill to the island, and the island was encircled by exercise areas for the first time. It was also the first time a target area was set up east of Taiwan Island and the first time missiles and rockets flew over the island. The video also confirms that several PHL-16 long-range modular rocket launchers of the Army conducted firing training in the Taiwan Strait, carrying out precise strikes on specific areas in the eastern part of the Taiwan Strait. Some areas overlap with Taiwan's claimed territory and waters. The new PHL-16 rocket has a longer range compared to older models and higher accuracy, and the modular design makes reloading significantly improved, reducing the preparation time. This report also shows real-time footage of the artillery recognition drone, proving the rockets hit their targets with high precision. The Chinese military spokesman said that recent exercises achieved the desired goal. Adding to the ballistic missiles and rockets, the Chinese Air Force and Naval Aviation Forces conducted more than 100 sorties targeting Taiwan. Fighter planes, bombers, early warning aircraft, refueling aircraft, and other types of aircraft participate in the flight missions. Some performed combat training in target areas, including all-weather joint reconnaissance, aerial refueling, air supremacy operations, ground assault, and close-in fire cover. A few early warning aircraft act as the multi-force control and coordination flight centers, providing sustained air command and control. Under the Eastern Theater Command, officers and soldiers have been on high alert throughout the whole process. However, based on reports from Taiwan and Japan, all missiles and rockets have not impacted any flights or vessels in surrounding areas. A few airlines and shipping companies have altered their plans well before the exercises started. The background of this series of Chinese military exercises is that U.S. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi visited Taiwan. The Chinese side believes this is against the One China policy and that it is to support Taiwan independence. It is widely seen as a serious political provocation to China and a serious interruption to relations between the two most powerful countries in the world and their militaries. China is strongly opposed to this and reacts with military drills targeting Taiwan. The Chinese military spokesman declares that the military will keep its word to counter the Taiwanese authorities in the U.S. The Chinese government claims that it will not sit and watch the U.S. and Taiwan authorities divide China, and the joint sea and naval exercises are a solemn deterrence against the U.S.-Taiwan connection. It is worth noting that even though the exercises surrounding Taiwan were carried out by the Eastern Command, other commands in the Chinese military also performed major military actions, including all-weather, joint combat training with a focus on amphibious assault. For example, the Chinese Navy units of the Northern and Southern Theater Commands have mobilized vessels to perform artillery and missile firing training. Adding to that, the PLA Navy launched operational patrols in the Taiwan Strait and flew over the waters to the north, southwest, and east of Taiwan Island. Several sorties flew over the center line of the Taiwan Strait, which is a rare move from the Chinese side. It is reported that 2 of the 6 announced exercise exclusion zones have seen the last bit of firing and have been announced to be open to public traffic again. However, the Chinese military will carry on firing drills in the remaining zones. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe, share and comment. It will really help us developing this channel and bring you more videos about Chinese military news. Thank you.